In today's video, guys, we're going to talk about alien worlds, okay? And we're going to see what is the difference than before, and also if you are noticing into the dashboard, there are a new look of alien worlds. So of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe. It is Crypto Addict here, guys, back again with another awesome update, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so this is the official new look of alien worlds. So there's also a background sound, as you can hear. So this is the new website that they've had. Alien Worlds are also in Binance. You can always look on it. Binance Alien Worlds. It is tradable on Binance. So let's go back into the game first, okay? So you see here that before there's like a 2D style of clicking these what do you call that, these tools over here, but now you're just going to put the mouse over here and you'll be able to see the rarity, the shine, the type, the charge time, the mining power, the mining luck, and what mint number is this. Okay, so now let's try to mine. Okay, what we just need to do is just click this portion, click this mining portion. Okay, and then you're just going to claim it. Okay, that's how easy it is. Before, like the 2D version of Alien Worlds are kind of like, I would say, sucky, but now you're just going to click this mine button, you'll be getting a TLM after, and that's just how easy it is. And also you'll be able to see all of these all of the geographics, like the number that you are in, the planet that you are in, and also where are you at. So you are on geothermal springs, so let's mine. Okay, we need to claim this. Okay, we need to do this M Federation dash mine. Okay, so there's nothing to be mined. Maybe we can switch the planet. Let's go to the Neri, mine Neri. Let's say here, let's go here, and then let's just sign the button. Okay, and let's just click this one. Let's just test it. Okay, so okay, so I guess that is the actual new Alien Worlds as well. Like, there are a lot of bugs like this one, because this should be working. Okay, that you will be able to get a mine. And also, if you're going to look at Atomic Hub, I've already saw the market of Alien Worlds. So let's just go down over here. You can see that Alien Worlds price are just the same as before. Okay, and since there are a lot of bugs, and also the mine pool are also low, and also the price of TLM, you can see it on CoinGecko, is just very low. I think the profits that we experienced like last what do you call that, last 3 months ago, are just the same right now. The thing here is that people are just like keep on selling and selling TLM. Okay, and some people just call it a day. They don't play this anymore. There are a lot of games that are a lot more profitable, but I would say if you are looking for pretty much a side hustle, and also a game that you can play easily, okay, without spending a lot of money, and also without spending a lot of gas fees, I would recommend this Alien Worlds. Because if you're going to look into the market of Alien Worlds as well, let's just go into the tools section over here, and you can see that you can get even an infused extractor. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, you can see that you can just get it for around $70. It's get even more like expensive, because before the price was around $20, $30, and now it is around $70. So I will say that this is pretty good, because before the price of extractors are at $300, $400, and it is ridiculously expensive, I would say. So talking about the new look here, okay, you can also have a staking. So you're just going to connect your MetaMask over here, and also you will be able to see the resources that you have, because you are playing Alien Worlds, so you need to have a lot of CPU, like a lot. And also, as you can see here, okay, if this goes 99%, you won't be able to mine anymore. Okay, so make sure to check this one out. And also, if you click that details, okay, you'll be able to see the resources that you have. Okay, and you see, okay, you can buy and stake WAXP, and if you also buy some WAXP, you do not need to like worry about those tokens, because you can always get it back. Okay, the thing here is that you're staking more WAXP, okay, so that you will be getting more CPU, but it actually doesn't consume any WAXP. So that's really awesome about Wax blockchain, unlike Binance Smart Chain, because like in Binance Smart Chain, the Binance coins are being burned, but here you are just like prompted to stake so that you'll be getting more CPU. Okay, so that's also going to maintain the price of Wax token as well. So if you're going to look here, I think it's still a nice buy, but if you have like a lot of alternative, like you're making maybe $100 a day, $200 a day, maybe you can just scrap this video out and also just focus on the games that you are currently playing right now. So that is my video for today's, guys. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update, and see you on the next video.